Hey everyone, just a reminder, we've got a meeting at 10 to 10:30 tomorrow, but again, I'll say it in the other meeting, is that it kind of gets a little choppy because you guys only have a few minutes to look at the assignment. I am available all Thursday and I'm available all Friday from 9:30 to 10:30. And if you need to set up another meeting with me, uh, that is totally okay. All right. So you guys see my screening here. I've been trying to figure this out for you guys the best that I can. I hope that it worked out. So you guys did have an assignment. I'm going to go look at that here in just a few minutes just to see if there's something that I do need to do with that. Okay. Excuse me. First one is this one. So what you need to do in order to answer this is that you go to, I'm going to explain this twice. I'm going to explain this twice to you guys how to do this. I'm sure that you guys have another way to do it. If that's the case, please let me know. I'm getting used to Google Docs and it's getting easier and easier the more I use it. Okay. So you go to edit. Excuse me, I'm going to go. Hi again. So there's a way you can do this is that you can put in um, a line. We've done this before. It's a pretty cool example. You can use curve, you can use squibble. So if you have metal, is it iron, oxygen, or boron? It is. Boom. Oh, excuse me. Got to go slow with it. So again, you go to insert. You can go to line. You can go to curve. Either way. So it goes there. And then you can keep going. Okay. Alrighty. The next part of this is, and then I can post that up by the end of the week to find out if you did it correctly or if you get it done, and then I'll send you the answers. Okay. All right. The second part is these are just some notes. Just basically an explanation. These notes are just an explanation again for the periodic table. There's a couple things that we hadn't talked about, and particularly the vocab word as group and the vocab word as family today. I went ahead and did the second lesson first, but I was like, it's a little tough. So it's just a very quick thing. And we have groups right there, and we have families. Okay. All right. Then you're going to have a very simple lesson. I think what you're going to have to do is make a copy. Let's see what I can do here. Let's see, open with. I think you can just do Google Docs. I gave you guys, it's a template. And I gave you guys editing rights. Okay. Alrighty. Sorry guys. Just trying to figure out where I'm at here. I need to go back. Again, I'm slowly learning. And that should be it. This is just your periodic table that you can go look off of. Alrighty. Second day is set up. I'm probably going to make a better video. I do recommend you guys coming in for that help. All right. Have a great one.